Discover your musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn A sharp major bar chord. Okay, everybody. So A sharp major bar chord has two bar chords, two types. The one is here, A sharp major bar chord. That's the easy one. And then there's another one on the 6th fret, right here. There is a little bit of difference. You can hear that, but the notes are the same. Okay. So what you do is A sharp major bar chord. You put your first finger on the 1st fret, and then you put your second finger on 4th string, 3rd fret. Then you put your 3rd finger on 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then you put your pinky finger on 3rd fret, 2nd string. Excuse me, my sleeve is just not letting me play clearly. No worries. And that's your first A sharp major bar chord. The other one is on 6th fret, right here. So you put your first finger on the 6th fret, right? And then you put your second finger on 7th fret, 3rd string. And then you put your 3rd finger on 8th fret, 5th string. And then you put your pinky finger on 8th fret, 4th string. And that's it, my friends. Don't forget, always put your finger in the middle of the fretboard. See that? And this gives you space for here in the fingers, so you have like plenty of space in order to play, to have a more better grip on the clear chords. If you do this, see that? You don't have control. But if you do that, then it works out just fine. And that's your key, to have a clear sound. Your fingers, always use them as little hammers. And do not let your fingers touch the adjacent strings, because it's going to sound like this. And that's it. This is what you have to know for today. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, press a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.